Hello. In this lecture, we are going to set up your Python environment with the help of Anaconda, so you can start coding like a pro. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we need to download and install the Anaconda distribution. Click on the Download section depending on the operating system of your machine. In my case, I am downloading the Microsoft download version. Once you complete the download, the application will be available on your Downloads page. Your next step is to double-click your software to navigate through the installation process. Once you complete the installation, the Anaconda will be available in your Program section. Within your applications, you will have the list of Anaconda files available. Visit the Anaconda prompt to set up the environment. Click on the Anaconda prompt to be taken to the base prompt. Here, you will run a command to set up your own custom environment. Let me start by setting up a new Conda environment specific to this project. I would execute the Conda create environment command, which would trigger the installation of a new environment. What is an environment? An environment is a folder within your Python application that contains files and libraries specific to the custom project needs. In the command being pasted on the screen, a new environment is created containing Python version 3.9. Follow the process. Follow the steps and click on Proceed Yes. This would complete the Python installation for your environment. So your Python installation is complete. Your next step is to activate the environment, and the command for activating the environment is conda activate. I am typing the command on the command prompt that you see on the screen. Now that you are within the environment, you can create your own specific Python files which will not conflict with other projects. So my first command would be to set up the IDE. The command would be pip install notebook. I'm setting up the Jupyter notebook within the environment. Once installation is complete, it will give you access to the new IDE to execute and create new Python files. The command to start your IDE is Jupyter Space Notebook. As you see on the screen, the Jupyter notebook is being launched. The Jupyter Notebook gives you the opportunity to create new Python files that are specific to the environment just created. We will talk more about creating Python files in our upcoming sections. Here we will now discuss more about the environment. Our next step is to deactivate and exit the environment. You can stop the Jupyter Notebook by pressing Ctrl-Z. This will lead you back to the prompt. I am now going to be executing the command which will deactivate the environment from your machine. There could be old projects, old files which you no longer need and taking up memory and space within your machine, and you would like to eliminate all the files and environment from your machine. And the command for eliminating and terminating all the environment files is conda removed. I'm pasting the conda remove environment name, which will be executed on Anaconda prompt. And the command would present a series of steps, and you would have to accept and proceed with the uninstallation process. As you see on the screen, the uninstallation is getting complete. The uninstallation is successfully complete. This has terminated the specific environment that has been created. And that's it. Now you know how to download, install, and set up Anaconda environments for your Python projects. This will help you manage your projects more efficiently and avoid conflicts between package versions. With your Python environment all set up, you are ready to code. Now we'll run your very first Python program. First, go to Anaconda prompt and change to the desired environment. Change to the desired working directory and type Jupyter Notebook. This will open up your IDE. Now you can create a new Python file. Name it something like hello-world.py. The py extension tells your IDE and the system that this is a Python file. Now let's write your first Python code. In the file, type print hello world. This simple code tells Python to display the message hello world on the screen. I remember when I wrote my first hello world program, it felt like I'd just unlocked the secrets of the universe. Now that you've written your code, it's time to run it. Look for the Run button in your IDE or use the keyboard shortcut, usually F5 or Ctrl+R. You should see the hello world message in the output. Congratulations! You've just run your first Python program. Like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your feedback and engagement mean the world to us. Let's build a strong Python community together.